Marissa. I'm going to demonstrate a pretty advanced core and hip combo. I'll give you 2 variations, however.
All right, so Marissa's going to get into the plank position with her shoulders right over her wrists. Her back is flat, her abs are held in tight. She's hugging her knees together, and she's going to pull her knee to her elbow and then take it back to plank and then kick the leg out to the side. And then repeat on this other side. Knee to elbow, kick the leg out to the side. You're trying to keep your hips down low, making sure those shoulders are right over the wrists. Your whole body is working with this exercise. If you need to modify, simply drop to your knees and then pull your knee to your elbow and then kick your leg out from a kneeling position. And then we'll see that from the other side. Great.